I'm on?
Yes.
Oh, hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Elliot, and I'm going to do today's out here again. Wow, what a shock. Come on, and whenever I ride, you have to follow me, okay?
Done.
Okay, so follow me, and also when I get far away, try to zoom in. Okay. So let's go. Okay, start walking backwards. And zoom out. Start walking backwards and zoom out. Okay, zoom in a bit again. And so, yeah, that was about bike riding. And now, come on, let's go back. This is what I call the spinny thing. It's a thing, really. I don't know what its name is. Okay, I have to sit in the middle, and someone has to push me. Whoa, four. Okay, mummy, pause. Oh, this is amazing, guys. If my voice is spinning, I don't care, because this is mine. And mine means more. So spinning more. Mine. You're trying that. Mine.
Vai lá e pega que a gente vai aqui.
So pretty much, bye.